Hi everyone. Hi, hello, welcome from sunny California. The whole world is going through a snowstorm. Not the whole world, the rest of the United States, or at least the East Coast, and California is just super sunny and nice. And I was going through my portfolio and I noticed that I did not make a video about this project, and it's such a big one. I worked so hard on this. I also explored Cursor while making this app, and I think I'm in love with Cursor. I bought a subscription to use it because here's my honest feedback about Cursor. I feel like it's actually like a it's actually like a partner that collaborates with you and is working with you throughout every step. Sometimes when it can't do stuff, it will tell you about it instead of trying to go and fix it on its own. And it gives you great ideas. I just love the agents that Cursor has. It's a great tool for vibe coding. And it definitely helps if you have some coding background or some coding knowledge, so that you know what folder to go and fix stuff in, and where the code is breaking or lagging. So it's always good to have that knowledge. So right now we're going to be reviewing the app that I built, which was it's a sky watching app. I called it AsAbove, and the philosophy of the name is as above, so below. So we need to get interested in space now that AI is taking over the world. We need to start looking up and seeing what interesting things are up there, because stuff is being taken care of down here on the planet. So as always, we start on my portfolio, and oh my god, the sun is burning me. I'm gonna change positions. This is better. But that did not happen. Nobody saw that happen. Gotta fix you up. So what was I saying? I was saying, yeah, this particular app, it took me a long time to build it because I had an idea in mind. I go out for evening walks every day, and I'm very interested in planets and celestial bodies. And when I was going out and I was looking at all the planets that are coming up in this time of the year, I can see Jupiter as soon as the sun sets, and other like really good stars like the Northern Star, and interesting constellations in the sky. I noticed that not everyone was noticing it as much as I was, and people didn't even know that these amazing planets and constellations were actually in the sky, so they weren't like going out of their way to look at them. So I decided to make an app, or like a website, which will tell you exactly what planets, celestial bodies, galaxies are in your sky right now, and if you went out, you could it also shows you the visibility of those things. Even if you can't see them, you know that they're out there, and it's pretty cool. So all you have to do is enter your pin code, your location, and it tells you the array of celestial events that are happening above you. Another feature that this app has, that it can tell you if there are any meteors, or any meteor showers that are happening in the sky. So they will be present, but when they're happening, it will label them active. A dream for this app for me is that at some point I will be able to track the space station, so that when you look on the app, you can see if the space station is right above you or not. But enough talk, let's go look at our app. So this, obviously, if you go on my portfolio, there's a huge UX study about it. It's not huge actually, it's just a technical sort of like a documentation process, and we're gonna see it here. This is called AsAbove. I've used a lot of GIFs for this. GIF, I don't know how you guys like to pronounce it. I like to pronounce it GIF. So this was a GIF, and then I kind of formulated the background to be very similar to this, that it looks like it's just hanging out in space, and I was able to create some dots to represent stars, and it's really cool. So this is how it starts. It says, as above, discover the planets and stars visible from your location tonight. And then you just go ahead, enter your pin code. This is a California pin code. It's going to find your location. The first planet it shows you is the Earth planet, because even when you're looking up, you're looking at Earth's atmosphere technically. Um, and then it's going to show you all the planets that are going to rise in the sky. And it's going to show you the rising time, the setting time, which is vastly incorrect at this point. I'm so sorry, I wasn't able to buy the API that can do it for me. So for now, it accurately tells you what planets are going to be in the sky. Rise time or set time, don't believe that. And you can always go and click on these. Hold on. You can always go and click on the cards and see information about these planets. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system, key facts, how to find it. So all this information is going to be on the cards when you click them. And Mars, Saturn, Venus, and Jupiter, that's accurate because these are going to be Venus and Mercury. Venus, Mars, and Mercury are already in the sky right now. They are literally hovering close to the sun. If you guys want to see, oh, it's on my, never mind. They're close to the sun right now, and but they are in the sky, and the Jupiter and Saturn are going to show up as the sun sets, and the stars, Sirius and Polaris, are also going to be in the sky tonight. I think so. Polaris is always visible. Sirius, do not focus, like I said, on the rise time and the set time, because I'm using 2 free APIs right now, but they're having trouble correlating the location and the planets in the sky. So what we try to do, me and the agent on Cursor, what we try to do is that we try to basically bridge the gap between the times based on the location. So it was doing mathematical calculations, but it didn't really work out for us, and we realized that we needed to purchase an API to do this, and we will do that when we have the sufficient amount of funds to do that. These are the constellations that are going to be in the sky tonight. This is accurate. We're going to see Orion's belt, we're going to see Big Dipper and Cassiopeia, I suppose we will, and the Little Dipper. So all these beautiful planets are beautiful constellations are going to be in the sky. It will also show you what galaxies are hovering above your head. Andromeda, Triangulum, and Whirlpool galaxies are going to be hovering above your head. I have not verified this galaxy information, so don't take my word on it, but I believe this to be true. And Andromeda does come overhead. I think we should add Milky Way to this, because Milky Way also, even though we're a part of it, we do see it. Celestial events these are the 2 meteor showers that are currently inactive, but I put moon in the celestial events because, yes, we think seeing the moon this close is an absolute celestial event. That is my philosophy. I think moon is a celestial event, and the fact that we can see it so up close, absolutely amazing. And these are 2 other meteors that are currently inactive, but they do get active as the year goes on, and whenever they get active, they're going to push to the top of the screen, and you're going to be able to see them as the first things when you come on this app. So yeah, this was my beautiful, amazing, gorgeous app. I just love it so much. Also, you're still able to change the pin code and explore the sky some other place. 44201, I think that should be Ohio, yes, Streetsboro. And it tells you what planets and stars and constellations are going to be above you. It just doesn't tell you the correct timing. But another option that we had to fix this was that I would have to go in monthly and adjust some things for it to show accurately. But again, I think me and the agent, we both came to the conclusion that a paid API would be the best way forward. And someday this app is going to have a paid API, and someday it's going to tell you exactly the correct rise and set times for the planets. But for now, this looks great. I love the design principles, the UX principles that we've integrated in this. The font, the backgrounds, the translucent cards. We wanted to bring about like a translucent glass effect for these cards. It wasn't able to completely manifest that, but I'm happy with what it has. It looks clean, it looks good. There's no clutter or excess stuff. And there's also a small summary up here if you ever want to like just see what's happening really quickly. Tonight, Streetsboro, Ohio offers 3 planets visible, 1 bright star, and a full moon, and at 86% illumination. So thank you so much. Yeah, this was my app. If you guys like it, please like it. Let me know if you like it. Let me know what I can change, and let me know if there's any way that I can make the APIs work. Thank you so much.